Hey, hi there. Welcome back to PyMLFinance. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in Python, that is data types and data structures. So this is something every beginner must know, and even intermediate and advanced learners often miss many deeper details. Okay, so by the end of this video, you will have a good understanding of various data types and data structures in Python. Alright, so let's start with the video now. Alright, a data type simply tells you what kind of value you are going to store, okay? What kind of value the variable will store. It can be a number, it can be a number, it can be a word, or it can be any Boolean value like true or false. Okay, so different data types behave differently, and knowing them helps you avoid bugs and write efficient code. The best part is in Python you don't need to declare data types. Python figures it out automatically. So Python automatically decides what data type variable has. Okay. So if I talk an example, so if you have ever worked in programming languages like C or C++, okay. So in these languages, you need to explicitly define the data type of the variable. For example, int age is equal to 14. So you are explicitly defining this variable will have integer data type, okay, and hence assigning integer 14. However, in Python you simply say age equal to 14, okay, and if you check the type of the data type of the variable, it is int. So Python has automatically detected that age variable has data type int. Similarly, if you define age equal to 20.5, some floating number, Python automatically detects it is a float data type. Similarly for string, here age has a string value assigned, the data type of age is string. Okay, so Python automatically detects float as the data type, string as the data type. Now let's talk about some built-in data types of Python. Okay, so these are some built-in data types of Python. Numbers, which has int, float or complex. Text, the data type is string. Boolean, having Boolean value like true or false. And structured data type, or we also sometimes refer it as this structured data type as data structures. So it stores collection of items like list, tuple, set or dictionary. Now let's explore them, understand them in detail, so you understand not only what they are but also when and why to use them. Okay, so let's start with int. In Python, integers are used to store whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers. It can be positive numbers, it can be negative numbers, or even zero. Okay, so values like -10, -5, 0, 5, 10, etc. These are stored by integer data type. Now there is one more thing. Unlike programming languages like C or C++, okay, Python integers don't have a fixed. Python integers don't have a fixed size. So in C and C++ there is a fixed size, but Python automatically allocates or increases memory as the number becomes larger. Now the next is float. So floats are numbers with decimal points like 3.14, 2.25, etc. Okay. Now they are extremely common in financial calculations, scientific works and data processing kind of work. Okay. Now coming to complex numbers. So generally this data type is not available in other programming languages, but Python supports these complex numbers like 3 plus 4j. Okay, some numbers in the form of a plus bj. So these are known as complex numbers, and these numbers are extremely useful in image processing, some engineering related works, and machine learning algorithms. Okay, now the next data type is text, that is string data type. Okay, a string is simply a text in Python that is sequence of characters. It is a sequence of characters. Like let's say this is a string. Okay, the data type of this is string, say hello, etc. Or string can also be numbers enclosed in single quote or double quote. So even this is also a string value. Anything under single quote or double quote or even triple quote are string data type in Python. Okay, now coming to Boolean. Okay, so Boolean represents truth value. Boolean represents truth value, that is true or false. True or false. They are produced by comparisons, like say you say 10 is greater than 5 and this is true. 10 is always greater than 5. So Python returns here true, which is universal fact. Alright. Now coming to structured data type. Okay. Structured data types in Python are also referred as data structured, as informed earlier. Okay, in Python. So in this video, we are not going to dive deeper into structured data types like list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Okay, in the next video, I will discuss about these structured data types. All right. So that's all for this video. Thank you and happy learning.